Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add thank you email on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to have that, what you can do is you can head over and click on the settings right here. Now, under the settings, you should be able to see this side dashboard right here. So what you can do is you can just scroll down until you can see this notifications. Under this notifications, click on this customer notifications. And then from in there, you should be able to see this order confirmation, draft, thank you shipping information as well right here. So from in here, you can see that we have this order confirmation. And then this order confirmation, this is what it looks like. It is actually a thank you for your purchase right here. So as you can see, if you enable this one, and in here, you should be able to see that we can actually send it out to people who buy from our stuff. So if you want to edit it out, what you can do is you can click this edit code, and on this edit code, you just need to edit out this specific code that they have right here. You need to be very knowledgeable on coding in order to edit it out. But once you have edited, you should be able to see some changes on this template that they have provided. So you can also just click on the send test right here in order to see what it looks like. So let's click on send test right here. And then let's see what it will look like when it's sent to my Gmail. So let's head over and see that. Now, from in there, it will load the Google Workspace or Gmail, and then we should be able to see the thank you email that we have received. So as you can see, this is thank you for purchase. We can have in here the order summary, customer information, and shipping method. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, subscribe because it has reached more people. See you soon.